I'm Janelle and this is toDIYfor. So this week I'm going to show you how to create a really big statement lantern that'll look great on your patio. It is some beautiful patio decor and it's gonna be so affordable and easy to do. I was just so happy when this idea clicked in my head that I had to share it with you. So let's get into this DIY.
Just a heads up, this project was really time consuming, but it's really easy to do. So you're gonna need some embroidery hoops, one large, two smaller sized, and then a bunch of bamboo skewers. I ended up picking up 200 total and I got them in 2 different sizes. You could do them all the same size. So where you start is with one of your smaller embroidery hoops. And as you can see here, I have glued 4 skewers and kind of angled them outwards so that they will connect with the larger hoop here. So I glued those 4 to kind of just create the base. I put the larger hoop down and then I glued those in place, and now we have our base structure. And then you just go ahead and fill it all in with these bamboo skewers. So a little glue on the top, and then to the bottom I just kind of laid down some glue onto the embroidery hoop, and that really connected it. I did this outside on my patio. I did it watching TV. Again, it's time consuming. If you don't glue them as tight together as I did, it's gonna take you way less time. But I really like this look. It kind of looks like a little lampshade when I was done the bottom half, and then we moved on to the top half. So same idea this time around. Again, the smaller embroidery hoop, gluing 4 of those bamboo sticks to it and angling them outwards so that they will attach and fit well to the larger embroidery hoop. I made these ones longer just to kind of create a unique shape for mine. So you just really do get a good hang of it after you've done it so often. I found I got a pretty good vibe and got going quite quick with it. A little dab of glue on the top, as you can see. You connect it to the top embroidery hoop. You pull the inside in and you lay down some hot glue, and that pretty well holds it in place. You kind of have to hold it in place for a little while the glue dries. Sometimes you don't have to. So once I was done, I decided to paint out all of my embroidery hoops in black to kind of go with my patio decor. And then to hide all of that hot glue, which I know looks like a mess right now, what we're going to do is take some macrame cord, and I decided to braid this together just to create a thicker band. And this is gonna hide all of that mess. So I did multiple strands of braided macrame, and then I'm gluing it into place over top of all of that glue that was showing, and it rests right on top of the embroidery hoop. So I did this for the top, middle, and bottom. And on the top, as you can see there, I did a ring of the braided hoop on the inside as well to hide any of that mess. This is an additional piece. You don't have to do it, but I thought some little handles looked really cute and braided them and hot glued them into place.
So I just love how this turned out, and the thing is you don't have to stop with one. You could make them in different sizes, kind of create a cute little grouping of 3 of them if you want. They're really beautiful at night if you put candles or lights inside, but also a really kind of statement piece during the day as well. I think it'll be a really great piece to add to your patio or outdoor space. Let me know though what you thought of this DIY. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. But if you really loved it, please share it with your friends, because it really helps my channel to grow, and I love to share my DIYs with more and more people. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Welcome, so happy you found me, but please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a video. I do new videos every single Wednesday. And if you're trying any of my DIYs, I wanna see what you're doing. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, @JanelleSteeper. Tag me in any of those DIYs. I love to see what you're making. I will be happy to share what you're making as well. So definitely do that, and I will be back next Wednesday with a new DIY. Cheers.